Hello and welcome to our channel. For today's video, I'm going to teach you how to turn off Snapchat shutter sound. Before we get started, please don't forget to like and subscribe and click the notification bell for you to be updated to our latest tutorial videos. Without further ado, let's now begin. It's pretty quick and simple, so let's jump right in. First thing you want to do is get to Snapchat. This is going to work the same for iPhones and for Androids. It doesn't matter. Now we are taking a picture. The shutter sound is super loud, and no matter what you do within the notification sound settings in Snapchat or in your iPhone, there is no way to turn it off. The only way to do it is, if you're on Android, is to turn down your volume all the way, and if you're on iPhone, is to go ahead and switch it to silent mode. To switch it to silent mode in an iPhone, it's going to be on the left hand side of your iPhone. It is a little toggle button, and if I take off my case and hit silent mode, mine was already on, so now it's off. But if I hit it, it will say silent mode on, and take the photo without that snap sound. And then when I'm done, I can turn silent mode back off, and then I can go ahead and use my phone as usual with the silent mode off. But that's the only way to take off that shutter sound. There's no way in the settings or in your phone settings to turn it off, which is pretty unfortunate. But as long as you know you can turn down the volume or put your phone in silent mode, that's how you're gonna get that sound to go away. If you find this video helpful, leave a thumbs up, share it to your friends, and hit the subscribe button. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you soon in the next video.